Hey guys, what's up? I am back with another unboxing video. It's time to do unbox the Realme C65, and guys, and this is another mid-range phone from Realme, and this phone is costing around only 50,000 PKR here in the Pakistan market. So you can see here is the box of the Realme C65. So on the back we have some more specification about the phone. We have 45 watt super fast charging with 5000 mAh battery size. On the front we have 6.67 inch 720p plus IPS LCD display. We also have a Helio G85 SoC with 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage, and this one has a really slim body, and the color I have is a starlight purple color, and this phone is also manufactured in Pakistan. So without any wasting time, let's quickly unbox the new Realme C65. It says we have 48 months fluency protection. So on the top we have mini box. So inside this box we have a simulation tool, and right there we have a quick start guide as well as a silicone case, and here is our Realme C65 in the purple color. So you can see here is the purple color looks like. So on the back we have a glossy finish, although the back it is made up of plastic actually, and the frame also it is made up of plastic. Now let's quickly boot this phone up. So Realme logo should be here. So let's see what else we get under the phone. So on the box we have our adapter, and guys, and this is a 45 watt SuperVOOC Realme charger. Also we have our cable, which is a USB type C to USB A cable. Nice to see that. No handfree inside the box, and the good thing is that we have a charger in the box. So now let's put all these things to the side. And guys, on the bottom we have our speaker, USB-C port, main microphone. So on the left hand side we have our SIM tray. So you can see you can use one micro SD card with the 2 nano SIMs at the same time. Also we also have IP54 water and splash resistance. So on the top we have absolutely nothing. On the right hand side, volume up and volume down rocker with the power on button, in which we also have fingerprint scanner. It is on the right hand side. On the back we have a dual cameras. Again we have 50 megapixel main camera. Also we have 2 megapixel which is a depth sensor with LED flash. We have a vertical shape camera layout. So now let's talk about the display. Again, this phone has a 6.67 inch 720p plus IPS LCD display with 90 Hz refresh rate, of course, with a center punch hole on the top, and the bottom chin, even the side passes, it is, I would say, okay, not the best in this price range. So now let's quickly set up this phone up and then we will continue. So guys, here is the first boot of the Realme C65. As you can see, here is the wallpaper of the Realme C65. Now let's see the max brightness. So here is the max brightness looks like, and the display looks, I would say, really bright, especially for indoors, and also I like the colors of the display. So let's go to the settings, and now let's see the Android version on this phone. This phone should running on Android 14. So Android 14 it is here. Also we have Realme UI version 5.1, Helio G85 SoC on this phone, which is not the best SoC. We have a 256 GB of internal storage out of 25.5 GB. It is available for you guys. Let's go to the display. We also have auto brightness. Here's the refresh rate option. We have 90 Hz refresh rate on this phone, and also look at the camera. Again we have dual cameras on the back. So here's the main camera looks like. So here is the video mode, and the back camera maximum shoot only full HD at 30 fps. Here is the street mode, night mode. Here is the portrait mode. Here is the 50 megapixel mode. In the mode section we also have pro mode. We also have slow motion. So let's look at the front facing camera. We have only 8 megapixel selfie camera, and the 8 megapixel I would say looks okay, especially in this lighting condition. So it's a video mode. Again, the front camera also shoot only full HD at 30 fps. Night mode also available, even the portrait mode, and the slow motion it is not available with the front facing camera. And now let's talk about the battery size. Again, this phone has a 5000 mAh battery size, and this phone should give you at least 1 day of battery life on heavy use without any problem. So that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this unboxing and my first impression regarding the Realme C65, and do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and follow me on Instagram as well as on X, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.